like, no, I do not want to sign up for another subscription just to see if I can create a course.
Well, guess what?
Kajabi just created 5-module course on how to lose your weight in your first month. So there's one thing I know about you, although we haven't met yet, is that you're looking to create an online course, but maybe feeling stuck with the general process, or you are just overwhelmed with all the technology, or you're overthinking it. Either way, you're in the right place. Hi there and welcome, I'm Nadia and I'm here to shed some light on all things digital products and systems for your online business. In this video, we will talk about an online course creation process and I will show you how you can get your course outlined with the descriptions for your lessons today. Yes, like now. If you're new here, welcome again. I'm Nadia and I've been in the online space since 2020, supporting my clients with all things courses, memberships, digital products, websites, sales funnels, email marketing, and so much more. And all those fancy things we have together accomplished with one tool called Kajabi. With Kajabi, you can pretty much run your entire business with one subscription and one login and password to remember. To get your 30-day free trial, visit my website at www.solosetsolutions.com/Kajabi and get some additional bonuses. But if you're like, no, I do not want to sign up for another subscription just to see if I can create a course, then let's give Kajabi a test drive without signing up. Just go to kajabi.com/AI Creator Hub and see what it can do for you. On this page, you can start creating your course right away. Just scroll down a little bit and you will see following options. You can generate outline, you can generate a lesson, a page copy, an email copy, and even create social media posts. So let's go ahead and create and generate outline and say I am in the fitness industry and I want to teach people on how to lose weight, right? So the topic of my course will be something like how to lose 10 pounds in your first month. Then click on generate course outline and see what it comes up with. So it may take a minute, but let's see. So we have an introduction with 3 lessons. We have nutrition, the next module, we have exercise, so it's like module 2, and then we have lifestyle changes and a conclusion. So Kajabi just created 5-module course on how to lose your weight in your first month. So the next thing we want to do is to try out and see what kind of content it's going to create for an actual lesson. For example, I want to teach people on mindset before they start diving into the course, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on generate lesson, and the lesson topic will be mindset on losing weight, and click generate. And let's see what it's gonna come up with. All right, so we have a few paragraphs. We have a summary. This is actually not bad at all. Great start for me to start brainstorming and see what else I can talk about and what else I can include in my course. Okay, this is going quite well. Let's see what it can do for us on a sales email copy. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on generate email copy. And again, I'm just going to put in my course topic, which is how to lose 10 pounds in your first month. I'm gonna add the course and click on generate sales email copy and see what it comes up with. All right, it's on the shorter side, to be honest. I'll probably add a little bit more, well, maybe like a personal touch or personal story, definitely, but this is not bad at all. This is a great start. Again, this is to help you to start brainstorming on this idea, on the course creation topic. So now it's time to sign up for Kajabi and actually give it a full-on test drive. Again, with my link, you will be getting 30 days for free plus some bonuses. So go ahead and sign up. Yes, now sign up. Okay, once you are in, let's waste 0 time and go ahead and click on all products and then new product. Here we will be working with course. And then click on get started. Our course topic remains the same, how to lose 10 pounds in your first month. And I also have a description that I prepared earlier. And that is simple and effective strategies for shedding pounds quickly and safely. With our easy to follow nutrition, exercise plan, and ongoing support, you will be on your way to healthier and more confident you. I think that's pretty good. Well, again, let's just see what it's going to spit out for us. All right, on the next page, while that's all happening on the back end, on the next page, you will be asked to set your primary colors. Again, all of this can be changed later, so I'm just going to click on next. On the next page, it will ask you to set up pricing. However, if you are completely new to Kajabi, you will not have any payment method set up yet. So just go ahead, either click on free or skip for now. And let's see what it's going to give us. All right, so we have the course outline. We have, again, 4 modules with 3 lessons each. We have a landing page and even email broadcast ready. Let's check it out. All right, so we have a course here. So the first one, understanding your body. Not bad, not bad. Okay, that's pretty good. Let's see if it actually created any lesson content. Wow, it actually did. Let's go back. Let's check the nutrition for weight loss and meal planning. All right, but let's rewind back for a minute. In the beginning, once the course outline was created, it told us that it created a landing page and a sales email copy. So let's check on that. Under marketing email campaigns, I see that there was an automatically generated email with a subject line, preview text, and an actual copy. So let's check on that. Honestly, this would take me a good 20 minutes to write an email, so I am definitely going to edit it, but this is just a great launchpad for me. This is a great start, and it's already in Kajabi. It's already been created. All I need to do, just edit it, select my audience or select the people I want to send it to, and schedule an email or send it right away. And the next thing that was there is the landing page. So let's take a look at our sales page. All right, so it's quite simple. I can see it's just the bare bones, but hey, I did not have to create it from scratch. I did not have to even think what buttons to press to start designing the page. So this is definitely will be in work in progress. I will definitely make changes to it, add my images, add my colors and fonts and everything. But this is a great start. Again, kind of gives me an idea where I'm headed. And I think it's pretty awesome with all of the AI technologies that we have access to. As you can see, online course creation process can be simpler than you might think. So I highly encourage you to get started today by signing up for Kajabi. You have the whole 30 days to get started, and check back on my page at www.solosetSolutions.com/Kajabi for more promotions. Maybe we have something going on and there's a special promotion like getting started with more free trial or lower pricing on subscriptions. So check back often. Of course, what I showed you in this video is a very small fraction of what Kajabi can do for you. For more videos and more tutorials, be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out other videos like this one. Also, please know that creating an online course is a process. It's not an overnight success. It takes time to build a course, to put in work and effort, and work with your audience, create those sales pages, emails, social media posts, videos, whatever it takes. But I just want you to know, if you stick to it, if you believe in your mission, if you believe in your message, and you know that your audience and your people find you, you will get there. You will find success with your course, with your offers, and with your digital products. That's it for this video. I have one ask for you. If you like this video, please share it with somebody who needs it, with your friend who you feel like will benefit from this video. And of course, as always, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I will see you in the next one.